I dey sew fine cloth, make una come patronize my handwork. Make una come patronize me o. Na yam I dey sell, and no cost na small small money. Na correct foodstuff I dey sell o. Come buy rice, beans, garri, no everything wey you need dey here.
You're welcome to part of this video of this AI hyper realistic video tutorial. So this is the second part. I'm going to be showing you guys how to access the Google Veo 3 and start creating images. Okay, so you go to your Chrome. Like I said in the previous video, we're using the Flow, FLOW. So you search for Flow. So before I get started, let me give you some tips that I forgot to say in the previous video. So the tip is that you can use multiple accounts, like a lot of Gmail. You can create up to 10 Gmail and then subscribe it for free. Subscribe it the way I showed you, using the first video, the way I showed you in the first video. Okay, so you can just subscribe it and then be using it. You don't have to pay for it. Okay, so you click on Flow, and then you click on Create with Flow. Okay, make sure you put your device on desktop mode. Okay, look at desktop mode here, so desktop sites rather. So this is it here. So make sure you put it on desktop site. So you click on Create with Flow at the bottom, and then click on sign in with Google. So I'm just going to select the Gmail that I just subscribed, which is this one. So allow it to load. So you check this and click on next, and then read through, click on continue. Now you have the Google, you have the Veo 3. So click on new project. So click on new project. Alright, so it should bring you to this place, and let me show you some settings that you need to make. So this is text to video. So text to video, make sure it's on text to video. So you are typing a prompt in order to generate the video. Just leave it on text to video. Okay, leave it on text to video, and then click on this place right here. Click on this place right here. Click on it. Make sure the model is at Veo 3 quality. So just click on the model and then click on Veo 3 quality to make the video more realistic. Okay, and then make sure your output per prompt is on 1. This means when you give it a prompt, it only generates 1 video, but if you put it out 4, 3 or 2, it will generate 4 videos, 3 videos, 2 videos, depending on the one. But leave it on 1 so that it won't consume more of your credits. But this Veo 3 quality consumes a lot of credits. As you can see, it consumes 100 credits per video. But in order to get a quality video, a more realistic video, you have to use it. Okay, so here is where you enter the prompt and then instruct it to create the video. So let's just get a prompt to create a video right now. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and then prompt it, let it give me a prompt. So I'm just going to say give me a well detailed prompt a well-detailed prompt to create a video using Google Veo 3, Veo 3, Veo 3. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just type in something. So let's just say a woman about a woman selling yam in the market, saying make una come patronize me. Make una come patronize me. So I'm just going to highlight this. Make una come patronize me. Na yam I dey sell. E no cost. E no cost. Na small money. So you just have to be creative with whatever you are doing and then prompt it well. So Google Veo 3 only creates 8 seconds video, 8 seconds video per creation. Like it creates, when you prompt it, it only give you 8 seconds video. So the text the woman will see will not be that long. So I think this is enough. So you say, okay, about a woman selling yam in the market, saying make una come patronize me. Na yam I dey sell, e no cost, na small money. The yam, so I'm just going to break this. The yam, for you to get the best out of ChatGPT, you have to give it the detail of what you want, like what you want. Just tell it everything you want. The yam is being displayed on the ground. The woman sitting on a stool beside the market road. So let me just put an African woman, so it will look more realistic. African woman. So I'm just going to send this to ChatGPT to give me a prompt to give Google Veo 3. Okay, so this is the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. So it is well detailed, as you can see. It is well detailed. So I'm just going to copy this prompt. Like this. Copy it and go to Google Veo 3 and then paste this prompt. Make sure this thing is still on Veo 3 quality. Make sure it's still on Veo 3 quality before you paste your prompt. So let's wait for the video to generate. I've pasted the prompt, so let's wait for it to generate. It doesn't take much time, but just make sure you have a stable network. All right, so after This is what Google Veo 3 gave me, so let me play it. Let me play it. I think my network is not good. Okay, so to load it, you click on this download button right here to download it. So I'm just going to download it now, and then click on original size, or you can use the upscaled one, but I'm just going to use the original size, and then it will be downloaded straight to my phone. So you preview it before you download it, you can click on this play button right here and it will play, but I think my network is delaying it. So I'm just going to, I've downloaded it already, so I'm going to my downloads and then play it for you guys.
Make una come patronize me o. Na yam I dey sell, e no cost na small small money.
Alright, so as you can see, this video is actually good, but if you take a close look, you'll see that the yams are too small and it doesn't look like a real yam. So you have to prompt the AI again. So most of the times it doesn't create videos perfectly the way you want, but it all depends on your prompt. You have to prompt it well for it to, you know, generate a better video. Okay, so in the next video I'll be teaching you guys how to prompt ChatGPT to give you a better prompt to use to create your videos. Okay, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to a lot of people, and then if you have any questions or any suggestion, you can drop it in the comments. If you want me to do a tutorial on a video, you can also drop it in the comments. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.